Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Sage Accounting for your construction and real estate business. So as you can see right here, the first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Sage Accounting, and you'd be directed to this website. And as you can see right here, you cannot find the option where you can sign up, but yeah, don't worry because I'm going to show you on how you can access this page right here. So all you have to do is you just have to open a new tab and then type out accounting.sage1.co.za slash sign up slash default.aspx. After that, you'd be directed to this website. Now you just have to sign up for an account. So type out your company name, product type, country, first name, last name, mobile number, email. You have to create a password, confirm your password, and then type out the once of access code, and then enter the access code. And then make sure to accept the terms and conditions, and then if you would like to allow Sage Accounting newsletter subscription, so just click on the box, and after that you'd be directed to your dashboard. Now right here, as you can see, this is your homepage or the item dashboard. So you'd be able to see here some of the information of your account. Now in the quick view section, you'd be able to see the customers, suppliers, items, bank account. So for example, if you want to look at the quick view of your customers, so you just have to click on it and you'll be able to see here the details of your customers. So you just have to select a customer. So just click on this arrow and then select your customer, and you'll be able to see here the details. Now let's go to the supplier. So you just have to do the same if you would like to see the quick view of your suppliers. So you just have to click on the arrow once again. Next, let's go to the customer section. So right here, you'd be able to see the list of your customer. And then if you would like to add a new customer, so just click on this one. Okay, so assuming that we are doing this for our construction and real estate business. Okay, so we are going to add a new customer right here. So all you have to do is to input the details of the new customer. Okay, so we have here the name, the category, and then the postal address, the contact details, the delivery address, the default settings, and then when you go here to the additional details, so we have the activity, additional contacts, the notes, the user defined fields, the personal information, the sales graph, and then the codes. Now let's proceed to the suppliers. So here we have the list of our suppliers, and then if you would like to add a new supplier, you just have to do the same. So you just have to input right here the new details or the details of your new supplier. Okay, so let's click on the list of the suppliers. So if you'd like to see the list of your suppliers, you just click on it, and you'll be able to see here now all of your suppliers. Okay, and then go to the actions. If you would like to do a quick view of the supplier, you can customize this one or you can delete it. So for example, you would like to customize the supplier details, so you just have to go to the action section and then click on the edit. Okay, so here we have the details of this supplier. Next, we have the item sections. So here, if you'd like to add a new item, so you just have to do the same. You just add a new items. And here we also have the list of the items. Now let's go to the banking. So here, if you'd like to add a new bank and a credit card, so just click on it. And then all you have to do is to input right here the details of the new bank account. Okay, so here we have the bank account name, the category, the default payment method, the bank name, the account number, and of course the other details. So if you would like to add a note, so just go here. Next, we have the accountant's area. So if you would like to send a note to your accountant, so all you have to do is to click on it, and then here just have to select your accountant, And then what type? So here, meeting, note, or just reminder. So I'm just going to select meeting for this. And then the subject message. And then here, you'd be able to see the previous notes. And if you'd like to add attachments, so just click on add attachment. And here we have the report section. So for example, we would like to see the reports for our customers. So click on it. And we have here the customers reports, and then the name, then the description. So let's go with the sales by customer. Okay, here, so we have the report filter, the report options. So just click on the view report to see the full details. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now the report of this customer. Okay, next we have the company and then the administration. So if you would like to change your password, so just go here. Now let's go back to the home section. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see here now the item dashboard. Okay, so what we're going to do is to create an invoice or even create a code for our customers. So just go here to the home section and click on my workspace. Okay, so right here, just have to choose what do you need to do today. So here you have your dashboard. You can create a code, create an invoice, create receipts, create a credit note, create a supplier invoice, supplier payments, and more. For example, you would like to create an invoice, just click on create an invoice, and then here just have to input the customer details, the invoice details, the delivery address, and then the postal address. Okay, that's right. And then make sure that when you are creating your customer invoice, you have to input all of the needed and important details. Okay, next we can also create a receipt that we can send to our customers. So click on the customer receipt option. So here we just have to process the receipt. So we have the customer details and then the receipt details. So you just have to select your customer. That's right. And then input the receipt details. For example, this customer right here. And at the right side, we also have the description. And you can also set a default message. After that, you can process an email, process and print, process a new, or just process this receipt. Okay, and then going back to your workspace, as you can see, there are plenty of workspace that you can use for your business. Okay, especially if you have a construction business and a real estate business. So Sage Accounting is one of the best tools that you can use. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.